Today we're going to be taking a look at the Brother SE1900 combination sewing and embroidery machine. We're going to unbox this thing here. Now I got my package open box from Amazon.com. It ended up being a couple $100 less than a brand new machine. So we'll take a look here. To my knowledge, after opening everything up, everything is included as it should have been from the factory directly. So I'm not missing anything by getting the open box model. So opening it up here, we also have a separate little box. We'll set that to the side for now. We're going to pull out some packaging, accessories, and as you can see, everything is very well packaged inside of the box here. Very secure, nice thick styrofoam, much to the chagrin of some of our environmentalist friends. But that styrofoam is nice and thick. It's going to keep that machine very safe on its way to you, as it did on its way to me. So let's pull out those parts. We have a couple of spare parts here. We also have a user manual, a couple of other documents. We'll take a look at that later. Pulling out the machine from the box. You can see it's really well set in there, so protected by that styrofoam and also in a plastic bag. Opening up that side case, let's take a look here. Once I was able to figure out how to open it, we can see we have our embroidery hoop. We'll set that to the side. Some other accessories. This is actually the other side of the machine, which holds our embroidery hoop. A couple of other accessories, some thread. That was nice of them to include some beginner thread for us for our sewing projects. Now we also have a quick reference guide here. This is going to contain some basic information on the machine. It's got a parts list, what should be included in the machine, in the box with the machine as you receive it. Also, some optional accessories are listed there as well. So this is everything that came in the box. A closer look at the documentation. Again, we have that quick reference guide. We have an embroidery design guide as well. Now this is a nifty little book. It's got all of our different stitches that were included in the machine and our embroidery patterns. So you can see here a number of different embroidery patterns that were included. We'll take a look at that later. Our foot controller. Very nice travel on this. Once again, our embroidery hoop, made of plastic, metal on the sides, a little grid that helps with positioning inside the hoop, I'm assuming, spare parts. Looks like our thread holder, a replacement thread holder. We also have some goodies here in this little pouch. Let's open it up and take a look. Scissors, screwdrivers, a little brush, extra needles, and things of that nature. It looks like extra parts you'll need to maintain the machine. Of course, an AC adapter. Let's set some of this stuff to the side and take a look at the machine itself. So opening up the little compartment here, we can see we have storage for our accessories, bobbins, thread ripper, and our presser feet. Really nice feature. Taking a look at the machine itself. Solid construction. Very well built. Fit and finish is very nice. Taking the tape off here, and we'll open up the top compartment. This is how we'll thread the machine. Let's take a look at these different stitches. Quite a few that are available that come built into the machine. Computerized to help keep you organized. Very, very nice. You can see threading the machine is very easy if you follow the numbers. Also the buttons for operation. We have a start, a reverse stitch, speed settings as well. On the side you can see our USB port, power switch, where we plug in the wall plug. Now I brought out my Brother SE1900 just to compare. This is just a sewing machine, but you can see that the machines are very similar in size. So the Brother 1900 SE is not very much bigger than your regular sewing machine. One thing I do want to point out is the amount of space to the right of the needle there is a lot bigger on the SE1900. So something to take note of. I do like that feature. A top-down view of both models. And you can see the Brother embroidery machine is not much bigger than your typical sewing machine. That is, until we add that embroidery attachment. So we're going to take a closer look at some of the embroidery patterns here. Very, very nice for what you can do right out of the box. Zooming in, you can see some of these letters, things you can do on towels. We'll be taking a closer look at some of these designs going forward in future videos. But just really amazing, some of the stuff you can do right out of the box with the Brother SE1900. Now that was an unboxing of the Brother SE1900 embroidery machine. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like the video, subscribe. We'll have a lot more embroidery content just like this for you to view. Thanks for watching. Bye.